In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bose Soundbar not responding to remote. There can be a few reasons why the Bose Soundbar remote is not responding. So to be able to fix this issue, the first thing that you can do is to go ahead and hard reset the Bose remote. Well, you can address any issue with the Bose Soundbar remote by removing and reinserting all four of the batteries. So to do that, go ahead and remove the soundbar remote's battery compartment cover, and next eject each battery of the Bose soundbar remote control. Hold the power button on the tip of the Bose remote control and reinsert each of the batteries correctly into the compartment. Close Bose compartment cover and program the remote. Another solution that you can do is to go ahead and clear soundbar or remote pairing list. The Bose remote and the 900 soundbar will store the cache memory of all previous wireless connections with Bluetooth devices. So in case of failed remote programming, you should clear the remote and soundbar pairing memory, which might resolve your remote problem instantly. So to be able to do that, go ahead and ensure your Bose Soundbar 900 is connected and powered on. Next, press on the Bluetooth on the Soundbar 900 remote and wait until the Bluetooth LED on the soundbar blinks white twice. Finally, release the button after hearing the memory reset tone. And now open your Bose Music app on your mobile device and tap on Soundbar 900 header from the menu. Next, press on the cog wheel icon at the top right and scroll down to the Universal Remote section. Check if there's an added remote under each page and tap on the remote's profile and remove it. And the last option that you have to be able to resolve this issue is to enable the Bose Soundbar Wi-Fi. Your Bose Soundbar may fail to recognize commands from the remote due to a degraded or disbanded Wi-Fi connection. So you can determine if the remote is functional by disabling the soundbar's Wi-Fi feature after holding a specific combination of buttons on the remote control. So hold on the Bose Music button and skip forward simultaneously. Release the buttons after the LED on the Bose pulses white twice and open the Music app and tap on the My Bose icon at the top. Tap on Add Device and specify the type of device you wish to add. Follow the on-screen instructions to re-add the Bose Soundbar remote, and that's basically how you can simply fix Bose Soundbar not responding to remote. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.